YouTube, I'm back with another episode of Cooking with Friends. On this episode, we have my best friend, Heather Hahn. So, we got the chicken, bacon, ranch wrap from Tim Hortons. I didn't make it, but I consider everyone my friend, so the Tim Hortons staff just left me out of the process of it being made, but I'm going to eat it anyway. It's going to be a quick episode today, a little bit of an update. The channel's been quiet for a while. Well, that's because big things are cooking. It's going to be big. We have a really big guest coming up. He's going to knock your socks off. So here we go. First bite, not too bad. Similar to a crispy chicken wrap, spicy chicken wrap from Wendy's. Not too bad. It's way bigger than one of those. A little more into the heart of it now. Good, I like it. For fast food, I'd give it like a... Fast food, I'd give it an 8. For overall food, I'd give it a 7. Whoa, folks! Guess what? We have a surprise review before the episode's over. Heather Hahn, while she's driving... This is not distracted driving. She's chewing.
Savory. I could do with the tomato, but good.
I agree. Out of 10, give it your fast food rating and your regular food rating.
I mean, it kind of tastes like Mr. Noodles as well.
Interesting.
So, I'd maybe give it like an out of fast food was the first one?
Yeah.
I'll probably give it about a 7. And then a 6 overall. But it would have been a 7 if there were no tomato on it.
Well, there you have it, folks. Nope. And that concludes this episode. Drive safe, folks. Roads are shit.
When you're here, you're family.